Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to trade on VT markets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first step is to head on over to vtmarkets.com, and then once you're here, you want to go ahead and click on get started and then either log in or sign up to VT markets, and then fill in your personal details. You'll need upload verification ID. This is strange, it keeps redirecting me to VT Markets France, but I'm just gonna pause this for now. Okay, so yes, upload verification documents, which is ID and proof of address, and then wait for approval if you want to open up a live account. So this is usually within 24 hours they will approve your account. Then from there we need to go ahead and come on over to myaccount.vtmarkets.com. And then from here, we need to go ahead and deposit money into your account. So we can choose a payment method. This can be bank transfer, card, e-wallet, crypto, depending on your region. Then enter the deposit amount and confirm funds will appear into your trading account after that. So, and then from here, we need to remember that VT Markets support MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or VT Markets mobile app. This is iOS or Android. Now, we need to head on over to webtrader.vtmarkets.com. I'm going to use the web version for this. Now, once you come over here, they will ask you to open up to log into an account. So connect to accounts. Authorization allows to get access to a trade account. So because I'm using a demo account, just easier for this demonstration. So I've already got my details in. Click OK. Then from here, you should see a chart or charts that look like this. Then from here, we want to go ahead and place your first trade. So on the left-hand side, we can go ahead and open up this market watch, should already appear like so, and then choose your trading pair. So if I want to do AUD USD, click onto that. If I want to do BTC USD, double click. Then from here we can go ahead and sell at this price or buy at market. So you can see the symbol here, the volume, we can change that if we like. The stop loss, you can put a comment. Types, this could be a market execution or pending order. Take profit. And then, as it states here, the trade will be executed at market conditions. Difference with requested price, it may be significant, so be wary on that one. And now, once you put in a price, it's going to say, successful. So I'll buy at that. And then if we come down here, we can see the orders that you got. Now, once you've made money or if you lost money, we go back to our client login, and then we can go ahead and withdraw funds if you made a nice profit, or if you need to put in more money, go ahead and click on deposit funds.